Hi, I'm Lisa from For the Love of Instant Pot with Karen and Lisa. Today we're going to do a chicken matzo ball soup. It's a great soup on a cold winter day. It's filling, delicious. I've always done it on the stovetop, and I thought I'm going to try it in the Instant Pot and see what happens. It turned out delicious, and I hope you'll try it too.
Okay, we're going to work alongside Lisa today as she makes the Instant Pot matzo ball soup. First thing she's doing is getting her ingredients together, and you can see she has set out large boneless chicken breast, chopped celery, carrots, and onions, water, chicken bouillon, 2 boxes of matzo ball mix, rough chopped celery, carrots, and onions, minced garlic, chicken bouillon. First thing we're going to do is mix the matzo ball mix according to the directions and then put that in the refrigerator while the chicken is cooking. You're going to add your chicken breast, water, bouillon, and veggies into the inner pot of the Instant Pot and add salt and pepper to taste. Cover with the lid and seal the vent and set your time to 14 minutes. When the time is up, let the pot natural release. Now remove your chicken and shred it with forks. Strain your stock and return to the inner pot. Add the shredded chicken, rough cut celery, carrots, onions, water, bouillon, and garlic. Get your matzo balls mix out of the refrigerator, and you're going to shape the mix into 1-inch balls. You'll find it's easy if you use a cookie dough scoop to do this. Gently place the matzo balls in the inner pot with your stock and veggies. Cover with the lid. Seal the vent and pressure cook for 2 minutes and then do a quick release. Now you simply ladle into the bowls and enjoy. Here's the recipe for today's matzo ball soup. If you want to copy it down to save for your file, simply pause the video here until you've got it all copied and then go ahead and push the play button to start your video again.
Well, I hope by now you're enjoying a big bowl of chicken matzo ball soup. If you have any comments on this recipe, questions on this recipe, or have a recipe that you'd like to share with us, please do so through our website. We would love to hear from you. As always, stay healthy and stay safe. Have a great day.